In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate document processing using a Google Drive workflow. The process we're discussing will help you efficiently manage new PDF or image files by converting and organizing them into a CSV format, ready to use for further analysis or storage. So let's dive right in. The journey begins with the simple action of uploading a new PDF or image file to a predetermined folder in your Google Drive. It's like setting a trigger in motion. Once the file lands in the specified location, the workflow is automatically activated. This ensures that every new or modified document is captured without any additional manual intervention from your side. Now that the workflow is underway, the next step involves identifying the type of file you've uploaded. The system utilizes a routing node to distinguish whether you're dealing with a PDF or an image. Understanding the nature of the file is crucial because it dictates the subsequent steps for extraction and processing. Once the file type is determined, the relevant file is seamlessly downloaded from Google Drive. This step is crucial as it allows the workflow to access the content and prepares it for the extraction phase. It's akin to bringing the document into the digital workspace where it can be meticulously examined and processed. With the file now accessible, the next phase is extracting the data. If you're working with a PDF, the workflow employs a dedicated extraction node specifically designed to pull text data from such documents. If the file is an image, we utilize the power of Vertex AI, sending the image for advanced text recognition. This ensures that regardless of the file format, every bit of relevant text is accurately captured for analysis. Having skillfully extracted the text data, we move to processing it with artificial intelligence. This is where the magic truly happens. The extracted information is fed into an AI model, which categorizes transactions and formats them into CSV data. This advanced analysis ensures the data is not only parsed, but also logically organized, making it tremendously easier to digest and further utilize. With the structured information at our disposal, we convert it into CSV format. This step is about transforming the data into a universally approachable format, which is particularly useful if you plan to use spreadsheets or feed it into a database. It's like turning raw ingredients into a deliciously prepared dish ready for serving. Finally, the newly generated CSV file is uploaded back to a specified Google Drive folder. This ensures that all information is stored securely and is easily accessible for your future needs. It's about closing the loop. Your data starts and ends in your trusted Google Drive, ready for whenever you need to access or analyze it. And there you have it, a streamlined process for managing documents that saves you time and effort, so you can focus on what truly matters. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you automate your workflow effectively.